Let's learn how to do bead embroidery. Take your top. You'll be needing your tools, that is the thread, cutter, the needles. Now take your hoop and the sticker that you want to stitch on your top. Place the sticker on the part of the top where you want to stitch it. Start with peeling off the sticker from the paper and stick it on your top. Now loosen the hoop from one side and put the smaller ring inside your top and put the bigger ring outside of your top and then fix it. Tighten the hoop by tightening the screw. It looks something like this. Once you're done with the first step, thread your needle. Tie a knot at the end of your thread so that your stitch won't worn out. Try to make the knot a little bit thicker. Keep one part of the thread smaller than the other. Now these are your beads. Bring the needle up from the starting point all the way. Then choose your beads and insert the beads into the needle. Like this. Place the beads according to the line of the design. Put your needle down right at the point where all your beads have ended. Like this. Now we'll lock the stitch. Now we'll be locking two beads. So bring your needle up after the second bead. Now put your needle down from a point besides it and lock it. Like this. As you move forward with the stitching, make sure that you lock all your beads. Lock all the other beads in the exact same way. So this is how the locked beads look. If you keep the beads loose, they will worn out of the clothes after the first wash. Do all the steps similarly like you did for the first one. To tie a knot at the end, get your needle out from the latest stitch that you have done and pull it. Leave a little loop and then put your needle through that loop and then pull. This is how you make a knot at the back. Another way of tying a knot at the back is bring your needle out from the latest stitch that you have done and then rotate the thread twice or thrice around the needle. Hold the needle with your thumb and then pull the needle out. And this is how you get a knot at the back. Now cut the extra thread off. Follow the steps for the remaining stitches as well. You can even start stitching with choosing one bead at a time, or you can use 3 to 4 beads as well. It looks something like this when it's done. First we'll do the upper side of the leaf and then the bottom side. And our leaf is ready. Now the next process will be of the cherry. Choosing the red color beads for the cherry. Repeat the exact same steps that you have done for the previous 2 stitches. So in this design, we are stitching the cherry in a circular way. Do not forget to lock your beads after every stitch. And one side of our cherry is done. This is how the completed product looks. Now wash off the excess sticker with water. Here I have used a spray bottle, but you can directly put your clothes into the water and rub off the excess sticker. Make sure you rub off the excess sticker completely to have a flawless look. And this is how it looks when it's done. And your cute embroidered top is ready to use.